Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach.
What is an HTML table? An HTML table is a structured data grid organized into rows and columns. It visually represents tabular data, such as financial reports, product listings, schedules, etc. Tables present information in an organized and easily readable format, which is especially helpful when dealing with large datasets. HTML tables consist of rows and columns, row represented by ETR tags and columns represented by ATD or ETH tags. Each row contains data cells, either standard data cells or header cells. HTML tables use a combination of tags to structure and display data in a tabular format. Table element. The tag serves as the container for the entire table. It encapsulates all other table-related tags. Table element. The tag serves as the container for the entire table. It encapsulates all other table-related tags. Table element. The tag serves as the container for the entire table. It encapsulates all other table-related tags. Table data cell. Data cells contain the actual data and are placed within elements. These cells make up the majority of the table's content. Table caption. The tag is optional and provides a title or description for the entire table. It appears above or below the table, typically centered. Column grouping, and these tags are used to group and style columns, is a container for one or more elements, which define column-specific properties. Table body, table head, and table footer. These elements group rows within the table, contains the main data rows, holds header rows, and is used for footer rows.